Here's part 2 of Central Air Conditioners Heaven, and we got a couple of Ream units. I'm sweating my ass off and gotta get home right now. Here's the one that's running. It's really quiet. Alright, 2015 2.5 ton. Over here, it's one of those York air conditioners that I really like. Besides I just wonder if that one has micro channel. And that's a Train XR12. No, 13 unit. It's powerful. Alright, this one's from 2006, 2-ton. Here's a York air conditioner with the Bristol reciprocating. And oh, this one doesn't have micro channel. That's great. Alright, this one, 2007, also 2-ton. Almost sounding like American Standard from that Train XB, or XR, I mean, sorry. And all the way over here, we have a Ream Classic air conditioner, and a Ream Value series right there. Alright, this is a 2.5 ton, 2005. And there's a, alright, 2.5 ton also from 2012. So, this paint peeling off of this.